So, good morning, students. I am present before you by taking the explanation of the lesson The Red Trap. On that day, we discussed about the red trap, and peddler means peddler was entered in the house of the crofter, and he had given him all the things like supper, and he played with him the majorless. He discussed the secrets of Crofter also. Crofter discussed his secrets also with the peddler, and he showed him. He told him that when he was prosperous person, I mean, in the days of his prosperity, he was a crofter in a Ramshaw iron works, and he is an old man now. That's why there is a cow who supported him. That bossy gave him the milk for the creamery every day, and the last month he had received all of 30 kroner in the payment. But it seemed that the peddler was incredulous. Incredulous means he didn't believe whatsoever the crofter told him. So he took the leather pouch from the window, and he took out these 30 kroners and showed him these 30 kroners to the peddler, and after that he stuffed them back into the pouch and hung the pouch on the nail. On the very next day, both of them they stood up in the very good season. The crofter was in a hurry to milk his cow, and probably peddler thought that if the owner of the house he had gotten up, he should also gotten up. Both of them they left the cottage at one time. The crofter locked the door and put the key in his pocket. The man with the red trap, he said goodbye and thank you, and thereupon each went on his way. But half an hour later, the red trap peddler was stood again before the window. What he did, he smashed the window pane, and he stuck in his hand, got the hold of the pouch with the 30 kroner, take out the 30 kroner, and he put these 30 kroner into his own pocket and put the leather pouch on the window as it is and went away. He thought that he had done a smarty thing. That's why, with the fear of police, he took his way into the woods, and he was unable to come out from that wood because it was a big and confusing forest. He tried to be sure to walk in a definite direction, but he considered that the paths they are twisted back and forth so strangely. That's why he circled at one place. Suddenly, when he was unable to come out from that forest, he remembered or he recalled that idea that the whole world is a rat trap, and it is his own chance to caught in the forest or in the rat trap. The whole forest with its trunks, the branches, its thickets and fallen logs closed in upon him like an impenetrable prison, means from that prison he is unable to come out. Forever he never come out from that escape. It was late in December, the darkness was already descending over the forest. This increased the danger and increased also his gloom, means sadness and despair. Finally, he saw no way out and sank down on the ground. When he was going to die, he considered that. Suddenly, he listened the sound, a regular thumping sound he listened. Whatsoever he considered that there should be somehow people nearby. He gathered his strength, got up, and in a stammering way, he was moving towards that direction from where the sound was coming. Up to that paragraph, you have to read this lesson. After that, I will be once again before you by taking the explanation of this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.